The story of Captain Jerry Premraj's bravery based on true events. Early life. Captain Jerry Premraj was born in Venganur village, Thiruvananthapuram district, Kerala. He came from a respected yet disciplined background. His father worked in the Department of Technical Education and his mother in the Health Department. His elder brother Reginald Pavitran served as an officer in the Indian Air Force. He first joined the Indian Air Force as an airman, but later, after training at OTA Chennai, he was commissioned on 5th September 1997 as an artillery officer in the 158 Medium Regiment, SP. In 1999, Captain Premraj got married, but when he was on leave and went for his honeymoon, he was urgently called back to serve the nation. He made the courageous decision to cancel his honeymoon trip and immediately rejoined duty. Operation Vijay. On the night of 6th to 7th July 1999, during Operation Vijay, Kargil War, he was deployed as a forward observation post officer at point 4875 Twin Bumps, Dras sector, Kargil. He accurately located enemy positions and directed artillery fire effectively, which caused heavy damage to the enemy. During this mission, he was injured by sniper fire. Yet he showed no fear and continued to carry out his mission with complete focus. Soon after, he was hit again during an enemy machine gun attack and sustained severe injuries. Despite this, he refused to leave his post and kept commanding his men throughout the battle. He kept giving instructions to his soldiers, saying, "Don't stop firing, the enemy must not retreat." Even while bleeding and in immense pain, he directed accurate artillery fire to ensure that the enemy patrol point was captured and that his own troops remained safe. Finally, at 4:20 a.m. that same night, he succumbed to his injuries and attained martyrdom. For his unparalleled bravery, he was awarded the Veer Chakra. His valor and sacrifice continue to live in our hearts today. Legacy of Captain Jerry Premraj. This true story of Captain Jerry Premraj is about a man who placed his nation above everything, sacrificed his personal joys, and never abandoned his duty even when faced with death. His story inspires us with patriotism, determination, and the spirit of supreme sacrifice. Captain Jerry Premraj teaches us what true love, true duty, and true life really mean. He showed us that a real hero is the one who rises above personal dreams to give everything for the nation. Let us all bow our heads together in his honor. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram.